Tonight, you are in for a sweet treat here on
Evolving Foods.
I'm Chef Vinny, and this
Is Luciana.
This is Luciana. This is my middle child who is obsessed with anything sweet. And tonight, she's gonna teach you how to make her
Banana bread.
banana bread. This has the child's touch to it. This is extra sweet and extra delicious, and we are gonna walk you through this tonight. So I hope that you are in the mood for sweets to finish up your week the right way. I'm sure you've been dieting and exercising, right? And you deserve a treat this week.
First thing we have here is the bananas.
Okay, and what type of bananas are those?
Very ripe.
Very ripe bananas. And how many do we have?
3.
3 very ripe bananas. And where are we gonna put them? Right into our mixing bowl? All right, let's put them right in our mixing bowl. The next thing we have is
Melted butter.
melted butter. We have a half a stick of melted butter. It's important that it's melted, not hot, room temperature. And Luciana's gonna put that in right now. And this is a half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt that's going in right now. The last 2 ingredients that we have for our wet ingredients are 2 whole eggs, and we're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla extract inside. There you go, now open it up. There we go, we have egg number 1, good job. There you go, good job.
That one was a good one.
Good one, you did great. All right, now we have 2 eggs going right inside our mixer. We're putting in a tablespoon of vanilla extract, okay? So what we're doing is we're giving it a little mix. So Luciana's pulsing it just to get all the wet ingredients together. And now we're gonna add our dry ingredients inside.
First
So
one is going to be
this is
flour.
1.5 cups of flour, and this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. That's going in right
all
now.
put together.
All put together so we can get it right in. Special ingredient by Luciana?
Chocolate chips and half a cup of tea.
Oh, chocolate chips. So we're putting a half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and Luciana's special ingredient, she breaks up a half of a chocolate chip cookie and throws it in there. So
Breaking it into pieces.
what do you have next?
And chocolate chips.
All right, half a cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet, going right in. Perfect. So we have 1 cup of dark brown sugar going in right now.
It comes out like a block.
Okay, now Luciana's gonna turn that mixer on, and we're just gonna let it mix. While that's mixing, what we have to do is what Luciana loves to do. She's gonna spray. This is a small, it's probably about an 8x8 by about 3 to 3.5 inch thick Pyrex.
It's starting to look like cookie dough.
Oh, that's what it's starting to look like. Now, we don't want to overmix it. We just want to kind of combine our ingredients. So Luciana's going to shut off the mixer now. What Luciana likes me to do is she likes me to hold the bowl up. She's going to scoop everything right into here. So we're going to show you exactly how Luciana puts all of this nice batter.
We should have sprayed the pan first like last time.
We did spray the pan.
First.
Oh, okay.
Because you said it's going to be fire with butter.
Gets the butter. Let's get every bit out because every bit of this banana bread counts.
I'm just going to spread it out. So it doesn't cook like a bunch of
Good job.
crumbs.
It's perfect. We are going to take you with us over to this oven, okay? So this oven is heated at 350 degrees, and we're going to place this in our oven for approximately 50 minutes. So Luciana's putting in there. She's being real careful. Good job. What a good cook. All right, let's close that oven door.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubting out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself.